Here's the deal. Our ICP is complex and always changing. And all kinds of things happen that disrupt in technology, and challenges that used to be challenges aren't. New challenges emerge. And so here's my question to you. Normally, CMOs, when they come into a new position, or SVP of marketing, maybe running marketing, what do? They start calling customers. This is not a sales conversation. It's not encumbered by a shield that needs to be up on being sold to. But that ends. You were busy. And so typically that happens at the beginning. We've got a good understanding, and then we're off. Is your opinion that we need a lot more, and we need to be continually in conversation, looking at the data? How do you understand your ICP? Let's start it that way.
I agree. It gets busy and then we go back to old habits. But I think there are some ways how I have tackled it in my past lives is setting some of those listening posts and almost like putting them on autonomous driving type of mode. And what I mean by that is you can have feedback that you capture on your website. You can look at the data trends of how many people are sharing or liking your comments. And if they share it, like there is a signal in my mind of what kind of content they are relating to. Similarly, right, within the product, yes, thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you like just popping some of those feedback features are so important. And those are the milestones where you want to collect them. Win-loss report. I think so overlooked by a lot of companies. I have done win-loss in every company I have been. And I strongly believe that I learn a lot from why we are losing a deal versus why we are winning. Because winning, at some point, you have that playbook figured out. But it's the losses that give you those off kind of cases that you need to go after and start building in your playbook. I have been really fortunate to even start forums like Voice of Client within organizations where you bring in product perspective, client perspective, support service tickets. That's another listening post that is so undervalued in my mind. If a customer is calling about similar issues, like you need to figure out how to fix it either through product, either through customer experience, or through marketing. So I think there are so many of those listening posts that you can create. So you have this autonomous signals that are being fed kind of relationships, and getting out there in the field is also important. Attending events, in my mind, is another key venue to collect some of that feedback, advisory boards. So yeah, multiple places. And then data. Just look at the consumption data, especially in this day and age. If you're not doing that, if you're not looking at your ICP data segmentation, like you're missing the boat.